How to set up email sync. Syncing your email account with TaxDome allows you to send emails directly from the web portal and access a shared inbox for each client. To sync your email, go to your account settings. In the Email Integration section, type the email you want to sync. Then start the sync process. First, you'll have to check that your email address is correct, then grant TaxDome access to reading, composing, and sending emails from your Gmail account. In some cases, you'll be redirected to your email account's sign-in page by default. If you see the IMAP setup screen but are using Gmail or Microsoft, click back and manually select your provider. For other providers, such as Yahoo or iCloud, choose View All Providers to locate your email service. After your email is synced, you will be able to add a custom signature to all emails you sent to the clients. You can also enable your team members to send emails on your behalf. After the sync process is completed and all emails from clients are copied to TaxDome, you can access them via the Communications section. Or, if you want to see emails from specific clients, navigate to the Email tab of the account profile.